What if I told you that your ideal weekend is not just a dream, but something easily attainable? Join me as I share a picture of a perfect, simple weekend. No grand adventures, just peaceful moments and genuine enjoyment. This narrative is specially designed for A1 English learners, offering a calm pace and clear pronunciation to help you understand every word. Hello, welcome to this slow English story. Please relax and listen carefully. Today is Saturday morning. It is a quiet morning. There is no rush, there is no stress. I wake up naturally. There is no alarm, no loud sound, no sudden noise. Soft light comes into the room. The light is gentle. It touches the wall. It touches the floor. I open my eyes slowly. I stay in bed for a moment. I breathe in and I breathe out. The room is calm. The house is quiet. I hear nothing loud, only soft sounds. I sit up slowly. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. My body feels relaxed. I stand up and walk to the kitchen. My steps are slow. The floor is cool under my feet. In the kitchen, everything is simple. I make coffee. The smell of coffee fills the air. I put bread in the toaster. The bread becomes warm. It becomes golden. I take a piece of fruit, maybe an apple, maybe a banana. I sit at the table. I drink my coffee slowly. I take small sips. I eat my toast. It is warm and soft. The food is simple, but it feels good. I do not check my phone. I do not think about work. This time is for me. After breakfast, I stand near the window. I look outside. The morning is peaceful. I lift my arms slowly. I stretch my body gently. I move my neck, left and right. I take a deep breath. My body feels awake. My mind feels clear. Now it is the afternoon. The afternoon feels calm. The day moves slowly. There is no hurry. I find a cozy place, a soft chair, a warm corner. I take a book. It is a good book. The cover feels smooth. I sit down slowly. I open the book. The pages are quiet. I read one page, then another page. I read slowly. The words are gentle. The story is calm. My mind feels relaxed. I stop reading for a moment. I breathe in. I breathe out. After some time, I stand up gently. I am ready to go outside. I walk to the park. The air is fresh. The sky is soft and blue. I walk slowly. I see trees. I see flowers. The leaves move in the wind. The grass is green. The ground feels steady. I hear birds. I hear soft sounds. Nature feels close. I take a short walk. Not fast, not far. I look around. I feel calm. I feel present. After the walk, I go back home. It is time to prepare food. I go to the kitchen. I feel peaceful. I feel ready. I choose my ingredients. I take vegetables. I take rice. I take oil. I wash the vegetables. I cut them slowly. I place them on the table. I heat the pan. I add oil. I mix the food. I cook mindfully. I move slowly. I enjoy the process. The kitchen smells good. The food looks simple. Everything feels calm. Now the day is almost over. It is night. The house is quiet again. The lights are soft and warm. I finish my meal slowly. The food feels comforting. I feel full and calm. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. The water is warm. I move gently. There is no rush, only slow movements. After that, I go to my room. I change into comfortable clothes. I sit on my bed. I take a deep breath in and out. I think about my day. The morning was peaceful. The afternoon was gentle. I smile softly. Simple moments feel good. I turn off my phone. I put it away. This time is quiet time. I dim the lights. The room feels safe. The room feels warm. I lie down slowly. The bed is soft. My body feels heavy. I relax my shoulders. I relax my hands. I relax my feet. My breathing is slow. My mind is calm. I think of one good thing today. Just one. It is enough. The night is still. The world is quiet. I close my eyes gently. I feel thankful. I feel peaceful. It is time to sleep. Tomorrow can wait. Good night. Sleep well. Today is Sunday. Sunday feels slow. Sunday feels soft. I wake up gently. I stay in bed for a moment. I think about Saturday. Saturday was calm. Saturday was kind to me. I smile softly. I feel grateful. I stand up slowly. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. The day feels open. There is time. There is space. Later, I sit at the table. I choose a quiet activity. I take some paper. I take a pen. I begin to draw. Simple lines, simple shapes. I do not try to be perfect. I just enjoy the moment. Sometimes I write. I write a few words. I write how I feel.
This is my hobby. It is calm. It is personal. I feel free when I create. There is no right or wrong. After some time, I stop gently. I take a breath. Now I think about the week ahead, just a little. I open my calendar. I look, but I do not worry. I see the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I note a few things. Work, small plans. I close the calendar. That is enough. I remind myself. I can take things slowly. Sunday is for balance. Sunday is for rest. I sit quietly. I feel ready for the week.
The weekend is coming to a close. Everything feels quiet and soft. I make a cup of tea. The cup is warm in my hands. The steam rises slowly. I sit near the window. I look outside. The light is gentle. I take a small sip of tea. It tastes calm. It tastes warm. This moment is peaceful. There is nothing to do. There is nothing to rush. I feel refreshed. My body feels rested. My mind feels clear. I think about the new week. I feel ready. I feel steady. I know I can face the days ahead, one day at a time, one step at a time. I remind myself of something simple. Joy lives in small moments. A quiet morning, a short walk, a warm drink. These moments matter. Now I invite you to imagine. Imagine your ideal weekend. Where are you? What do you see? How do you feel? Keep it simple. Keep it gentle. This story is for you, for your listening, for your calm. Thank you for listening with me. Take a deep breath, in and out. Carry this calm with you, into your week, into your day. Goodbye for now, and see you soon. Let us listen again, slowly.